Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on the backup. And as you can see, we will be automatically transferred to this Google account section. So let's simply tap on add account. Of course, you will be able to add the account whenever you do not have any accounts added. If you've got, your device will also give you the opportunity to pick the account you've got saved on the device and set it as the backup account. Alright, so here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so I've just tapped on I agree, but of course you can tap, for example, on privacy policy and check all of the information. And here we've been transferred to this section where your device is giving you the information about the backup. So you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got another section with the backup. So here you can check how much space you've got left on your account. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Right here we've got the backup details. So you can check what has already been backed up. The advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, which simply means that your device will back up the data only when it will be connected with the Wi-Fi, so you can avoid some charges, of course. And basically, to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.